So if I open up Inspire and I open up my flip chart, if I want to get this to my iPad, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, Export, and the option I want is called a Common File Format, an IWB file. It's an interactive whiteboard file, kind of a generic format that our new whiteboard app can understand, Explain EDU. So it's going to ask me to give it a name. I can go ahead and leave it called the same thing. Just make sure you call or leave the IWB in there. I'm going to go ahead and save it to my desktop to make it easier to find. And then go ahead and click Save. And then I can go ahead and quit Inspire. And on my desktop, I have an other folder here, and here it is. It's the IWB version. That's the version we want to send to your iPad. So in order to get it to my iPad, I like to airdrop. So if I just right-click it, or click with 2 fingers, or control-click, whichever way you prefer. But I do a right-click, and I go to Share, and I do airdrop. And once I do, I can go ahead and tap on my iPad, and it will send that file directly to my iPad. And on the iPad side, it automatically opens it up. I click OK, and here it is in my library. So down here is my home, here's my library. And if I tap on it, it will open it up just like that. If there were multiple pages, it keeps all those pages. And the nice thing is each element is still separate. You lose a lot of the interaction if you had things set to do things automatically, but at least things are individual elements, not like a PDF where everything is just kind of a picture of your item. This still keeps things as separate elements. I could tap on something and go to my inspector, and I could lock or unlock or make it do things and all that. So it's a simple, easy way. I can still pinch and zoom if I want. If I go to the hand, I can pinch and zoom to rearrange and make things bigger or smaller. So if sometimes it might be a little too large, I can resize it to make it fit. But that's how I can get from Inspire to my whiteboard app.